Hi, I'm John Gardner, President of JSG Insurance Services. A question I'm frequently asked is, how much auto liability insurance do I need? So first of all, let me explain how to read the auto liability insurance on your own policy. You're going to see the word bodily injury, and you're going to see two numbers. The first number is probably going to be something like 50,000 or 100,000. Then you're going to see a slash, and then you're going to see another number, a second number, that's going to be like 100,000 or 300,000. Your numbers may vary a little bit. These two numbers mean two different things. The first number means how much coverage you have if you injure just one person. So if you're involved in an accident and you hit me and my family, you have up to that first number. That's how much coverage you have for any one person you injure. The second number is how much you have total for that accident for all the people you injured. So in the example, if you have 100,000 in the first spot and 300,000 in the second spot, what that means is you have $100,000 if you hurt me, you have up to $300,000 if you hurt me and my family, but still subject to that $100,000 limit per person. So that's what that means. You also have property damage coverage. This is damage that you do to somebody else's vehicle, or perhaps you run into somebody else's property. But any damage you do to somebody else's property that you're responsible for, this is paid under the property damage number. So again, you'll see three numbers altogether: the per person coverage, the per accident coverage, and then the property damage coverage. So what happens if you're in a major accident? How much could you be sued for? Well, this really depends. Think about what would you do if you were involved in a major accident and somebody seriously injured you or a family member. How much would you sue for? Chances are you'd sue for a lot of money or as much as you can. Well, you need to be protected for that sort of thing if someone were to turn around and sue you. So in California, if you don't have enough insurance to cover that, several things can happen. People can put a lien against your home. The fact is they can garnish your wages. What that means is they can take, they being the people who were injured, can take a portion of your earnings out of your paycheck until you've paid off everything that you actually owe them. So these are all reasons to consider how much coverage do you have. You need to make sure that you maintain enough coverage to actually protect your assets and protect your future income. So my question for you is, has your agent recently asked you, how much assets do you have? What income do you make? These are questions that are really important to be sure that you are properly insured. If you're not sure if you're properly insured, let us know. We may be able to help you out. In order to make sure you have the right coverage, we'd like to offer you a free report. Simply click on the link below. You'll be taken to a short questionnaire with only 5 questions. Complete that questionnaire and we will send you a free report to help you determine if you have the proper amount of coverage.